Hi, my beautifuls. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Still experiencing a heat wave. That's why I'm in my bikini. Do you like it, by the way? I love this one. So, guys, let's just channel the pure golden light. Let's imagine it now flowing down through our crown, right down through the center of the body like a golden column of light, coming out of our root, down, 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 into the earth, all the way down and down and down to the core of the earth, flooding the core with the golden light too. See it pouring down now again through the crown chakra from the universe. So you've filled this beautiful golden light. You're also rooting yourself in the earth with it. And now take it out, emanate it, push the golden light outwards into your field, into your energy field. Grow it. Fill your room with the golden light, this beautiful light. And now I want you to take the light, imagine this big ball of golden light in your hands. Okay, you might want to go sort of in and out with your hands. You can feel it. You can feel like a resistance of energy. You've got this beautiful golden ball of light. I want you to see this ball now as your day ahead. This is your day. What are you going to put in your day? What would you like to happen? So, see it now as words. What would you like to happen? What are you going to put in your golden ball? So I'm going to give you some examples. I would like to have today friendship. Putting that in. I would like to have compassion. I would like to have peace and understanding. Because it's so hot. Now, guys, if you want to have something you might want to get today, you might want more money. So why don't you put in customers ringing you, contacting you, emailing you, or money coming to you in another way? You could put that in. See yourself being contacted about a job, anything, whatever that means to you. See money going into your bank account. Put that in the golden light. What else would you like to happen today? Would you like to meet the person of your dreams? Put that in the golden light. Put finding a soulmate. See yourself in happiness. Whatever it is that you want to happen today, put it in. And when you've put everything in that you think you need in there, that you would like to put in, you can put anything in. You could even put a stir fry in. You might want a stir fry for your tea. Don't know why I said that. But yeah, put a stir fry in. You might want fish and chips. Anything you want in the golden light. And then I want you to imagine taking the golden light now in your hand. And I want you to put the golden light into your chest. And I want you to imagine it going in through your heart, and it's brightly sat now in your heart area. And I want you to see that boom, the golden light is coming out of you. You know, it's shining brightly from within, and grow it out. So it's shining out of you, and it's coming out of your pores like the sunshine. Okay, big ball of light from within to out of you. It's beautiful. And that is you done, guys. So I want you to comment in the comments below the golden sunshine emoji, or anything gold will do for me. Switch it up if you like. Know that it's done. Go about your day feeling great. You're probably already feeling amazing because you're in that vibration of the golden light. And have a fantastic day. I'm sending you love and light. Do this every single day. I do. It works. I love you all. Bye.